coming to you here from Redbud Ranch in Hutto, Texas, near Austin. Today is day 7. Having a good time on this trip so far. Got to have a nice time last night hanging out with our cousins. And today we got some big plans to go to the indoor water park. Indoor water park sounds pretty cool. I've never been to an indoor water park. Tomorrow we're back on the road. We're about right around the halfway mark of our trip so far. It feels like we've been at this for much longer than we have. If you haven't watched days 1 through 6, a lot of cool stuff going on. And then the adventures are going to continue for another week. Be sure to tune in. New episode coming every single day. Thanks for watching, and we'll check in with you a little bit later. This place we're staying for these past few days is really nice. Very luxurious campground. You can definitely tell there's some long-term or some full-time RVers here. The sites are so clean. Everything's so new. It's really beautiful. Everybody gets their own grass pad in between their site and stuff. So that's awesome. And then they have tons of bungalows that you can rent. All these right here, plus another 30 or 40 that are behind those RVs right there. And yeah, it's just a really nice spot. So I'm on laundry duty. Man, Aunt Betty helped us out. Helped us with laundry. It's all beautifully sorted. I just have to put it away. This is awesome. Now I gotta figure out where all of it goes. This is our drawer setup. We got me, Allie, the boys' underwear and socks, Mackers, Caesar, Carlo. And then we got closet space. That's Allie's and boys' shoes. My closet space, my clothes, my shoes, and hats and belts and stuff. All right, guys.
Don't drive yet.
Time for some water park.
You don't have to do it. That's a big yeah.
All right, we're here at the water park. Splash Shack Indoor Water Park. Mac, enough yawns. Get out, boy. Ooh, somebody got Domino's delivered. Genius.
Hands.
All right, guys, here we go.
Hands. Lucky, hold my hand.
That's real. Look.
That's cool, huh?
It's too hard to open.
Wow, look at that. You excited, Carlo?
Yeah, you
Excited, Caesar?
Yeah.
You excited, Macker? Can they go, Al? Can they go?
I think so.
Yeah, go, guys. It's getting ready. It's getting ready. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, you okay, bud? I'm a big fan. Shark attack. Noise. Get out, get out, get out. Matt, get out. No, get out. Ooh, what happened? You fell? Yeah, you did? You bumped something? Go that one. Carlo and Caesar right there, about to go down the big slide. There goes Carlo. Not that fast. Here comes the big bucket. Woo! Did you? Oh, you did? Is it good? Here comes Mackers. This is a super cool water park. Ice cream. We just said goodbye to all our family Today's our last day here near Austin. We're just gonna cruise around our campsite. We haven't really got to check out this campground very much, so Caesar and I are gonna hop on our bikes and check it out, go see what we can find. They have like a little lake we're gonna go check out. They have a swimming pool with the splash pad. They have a nice store. Scared me. They got a taco truck here today. It's still here. That's kind of cool. There's the pool. The pool is very nice. Playground, fire pit. We got this creek down here.
I don't know where the lake is.
Oh, there's a bird right there. Watch out for big bugs, snakes and stuff. And frogs, apparently. She's just talking about frogs. Wow, that's pretty. It's hot. Yeah, the water's kind of hot. Oh, here's a froggy. Right there. Little frog. Right there. See him? There's a froggy. See him?
Oh yeah.
Right here. It's very clear water. No, it's not deep at all. So there's this swing right here.
Don't break your slide and get tired.
Wow, that's rude. Ugh, I'm too big. I'm too scared. All right, come ride it.
Whee!
Okay, ready? Can I get a please?
Please. Oh no! What are you doing? It's on him! Wrong! I can't fix it.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna stop you. Let's go see about tacos. Before it gets too dark, I wanna go to the pool too. Get back, Caesar. Taco Bron. Gonna get some sirloin and some chicken tacos. Sweet. Alright, got our asada tacos and our pollo tacos. Dinner time.
No? Did you sit down in it?
Tacos were very good. Hit the spot. Didn't have to cook tonight. Or she didn't have to cook tonight. This is a cool pool. Yeah. End of our night, and I went up to the breaker panel here, or to the battery panel here, and I pressed this, and it was showing our batteries were only at 1/3 power. And I'm like, oh no. And I go outside and I notice the converter's not running. It wasn't running, so it wasn't charging any of our batteries. So luckily we found that before we woke up in the morning, because we would have woke up and we would have had a dead RV that we couldn't start and couldn't drive away. So thank God, and we got it worked out. See you guys in the morning.
Like and subscribe before you don't miss another video.
That's right. Like that video, subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on another slightly outnumbered adventure.
Yeah.
Adios.
Adios, amigos.